How to repost Instagram posts and Reels. So in this video, I'll be showing you Instagram's new feature that lets you repost other people's Reels and posts. So the first thing you need to do is just go and select a post that you want to repost. This can either be one of your own posts or it can also be someone else's. Now to repost this, just click on the repost icon in the bottom navigation. You can then decide whether you want to leave a comment with the reposted content. To do this, just click on the profile icon to the left hand side of the content and then go and type out the comment that you want to leave and press save. Now this is optional, so you don't always need to leave a comment. Now once this is reposted, you can head over to your profile on Instagram and you'll see this new tab, and this is where all your reposts are located. Now from here you can see all of your different reposts. You can also delete things from here just by holding down on the content, and you can select delete repost to anything you want to delete. You can also do this for Instagram Reels as well. So just go and select the reel that you want to repost, and then you can select this repost icon, and once again you can decide whether you want to leave a comment, and once you've clicked this, this will also show up in your reposted content. Now just bear in mind that this won't always work on all posts and Reels. You need to first make sure you have this feature turned on and enabled. So to do this, you can just click on the settings wheel in the top right hand side. You can then scroll down to sharing and reuse and make sure reposts on posts and Reels is turned on and enabled, and this will allow other people to go and repost your content. So it's as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.